Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to bring you another cocktail this evening. I'll tell you what, I'm going to start with one that I have this drink occasionally and I really enjoy it. Happy to bring it to you. We're doing the Negroni Cocktail. It's a gin drink. Cannot wait to show you this. I'm going to start off with 1 ounce of gin. I'm using Hendrick's today. This is 1 ounce of Campari. Hope I said that right. And finally, 1 ounce of a sweet vermouth. I'm using Martini and Rossi. Use the sweet vermouth of your choice. Just gonna fill our glass up with ice. And give this a good stir. Alright, this little rocks glass filled with ice, pour it on in. You guys got a lemon for garnish. Go right on in there. The Negroni. Cheers to you folks. Been a while since I've had this. Very good, guys. This is it's a little harder than a lot of the gin drinks I drink, or have ever had for that matter, because I don't drink a lot of gin, but of the gin drinks, this is probably a little bit harder. It's got the sweetness in there. The gin just got the aromatic flavors of the gin is awesome. The Campari's kind of bowed, and the vermouth kind of sweetens everything up, brings it all together, which is what makes a good cocktail, in my opinion. This would be a good before, they call it an aperitif, I guess. I'm not sure how to pronounce all that stuff, but aperitif, a good before dinner cocktail. And it just hits the spot. Folks, the Negroni. It's a great cocktail. Once in a while, I really enjoy one. Guys, thank you so much for watching. As always, enjoy bringing these videos to you. Hit that like button if you don't mind. Subscribe to us if you have not already. Hit that bell to notify you every time we get a new video. And until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye. I will finish this one.